All right, Daquan, there's a car coming. Oh my God!
I'm sorry.
Hold on.
What do I do? What do I do?
Oh, yeah, don't move. Slide over. Just slowly let go of the brake and slide over. There you go. Daquan, you're going towards the car. Move. Okay, go straight. Dear God, buddy.
I'm okay.
All right, in here, can you get into this space? Whip it. Okay, go ahead. You're almost there. Keep going. Go ahead. You good? Keep it turned until the car's straight. All right, now brake.
Sorry.
All right, now straighten the wheel out.
Like this?
No. Turn it back to. There you go. Brake. You about to hit the front. You got to know how far you are from the front. All right, straighten it out that way again. Yeah, turn it that way. Slowly. A little more. One more. There you go. You actually did pretty good.
I don't know how you keep thinking I can't drive.
You can!
Yes, I can.
Daquan, you did go-karts one time. Now you think you could drive something.
No, I didn't know I could drive.
Boy, bye.